Welcome back. So today we are going to look at CSRF. CSRF is basically utilizing the feature that any browser provides you. So if you are already logged in into a site, and then let's say I copy this URL and go to another tab and go to same site, then I will stay logged in, and that is because when I go to the same site, same URL, then my browser will send the cookies that it already has stored in its cookie jar, right? Now, irrespective of where this page is being called from, the tab doesn't know it. It will always send that. We can utilize that to ensure that we can basically send a request from some other page and still get some things done. If it seems a little confusing, let me try to explain this. Right, so here you can see that we have a page where we have a request for new password and confirm new password. If we go to view page source and look at the form, we can see that this is the form. Now this form doesn't have any form of authentication. What I mean by that is, let me copy this here, csrf.html, and paste it here. And then just let me clean it up a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, this doesn't have any hidden parameter or anything, which basically means that anyone can submit this form without guessing anything. They don't have to guess anything. They just have to give the new password 2 times. And as long as the 2 passwords are same, the server will go ahead and change the password. Now, the only authentication, the only form of authentication that the browser knows is cookies. And as I said, if we have the same URL in the form submit, then the browser will send the cookies, right? So what we are going to do is, in this action, we are going to replace this hash, which means the same page, and we are going to give this page up to this. And give it here and then save it. And then we can open it with Firefox csrf.html. And as you can see, this is a new page where we have just password and confirm password. And also I will go here and reveal password. So now we are going to do this as password. Those 2 passwords are same, and I am going to click change here and watch what happens. As soon as I did that, it actually redirected me to the original page, original website, and it gave me password changed. Now the password is changed, and if I go to test credentials, I can say admin and then password, reveal password. You can see that I am giving password here, login, and valid password for admin. So this is how CSRF works. Now, generally the way to protect this is having a CSRF token, which is a hidden parameter in this same form, and this parameter is only valid for few seconds. So if the user submits this page, then the server will match that hidden parameter, and if it doesn't match, then it will not accept this request, right? So that means that if as an attacker I am trying to create this form, I will not be able to create it because I do not know the hidden value of that parameter. Okay, so that's all I had for today. Thank you.